Kitchen with another one this morning, and I'm gonna simply show you exactly how to do yourself some nice lovely blueberry, ripe banana, and some sea moss recipe this morning. All right, so we got some blueberry which we're gonna put also inside of the blender. All right, I love my blueberry, and I would encourage you guys, if you have the chance, to get some blueberry. But I'm gonna give you a nice lovely healthy recipe this morning with some blueberry. All right, ripe banana. This is some ripe banana. I'm using some double ripe banana inside of it, so that's gonna bring in a nice lovely flavor to it. All right, guys. Then after I had the ripe banana inside of it, because it is blueberry ripe banana, I got some also some cucumber. I like my cucumber, and I'm always using cucumber in my recipes like this. But you know what I mean, it's a healthy recipes, and I will encourage you, if you're about and you want to do some healthy recipes, and you know what I mean, this is gonna be coming so super healthy for you this morning. All right, now what you want to do, you want to remove the skin from the cucumber. All right, and you cut up the cucumber and put it straight into the blender with the ripe banana, blueberry, and smoothie. All right, just like this. All right, then what you want to do next, I got some leftover sea moss. Well, I like to use my sea moss inside of this kind of healthy drink. So I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of sea moss in it like this. All right, so if you guys familiar with sea moss, you can get sea moss at the oceanmoss.co.uk. That's where I buy my own sea moss. All right, now the beautiful thing we're gonna show you what you can also do with this drink this morning. It's gonna be fantastic, guys, and I know you guys definitely gonna love this. All right, so I love to use like almond milk. All right, I'm using some unsweet almond milk inside of it. So I'm gonna use some unsweet almond milk inside of it like this. Okay, some of your favorite. I love it, guys. That is fantastic and amazing. The whole texture of it is so beautiful. Yeah. If you like to, I wouldn't say I was gonna put some ginger or lemon. You just wanna keep it simple and natural like this. All right. Yeah. But what we're gonna do, we're just gonna blend it and see the way how this look right now. All right, let's blend it, because this is gonna be amazing, and the flavor and the texture is supposed to be beautiful. Alright, that looking good. Alright, now I'm gonna make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. Here it is. Alright, beautiful. Alright, and it's so easy and simple and super delicious, guys, honestly. I got a lot more recipe which I could share with you. Alright, but so far this is one of my favorite recipe which I'm always making, to be honest with you. Alright, and I'm always using the sea moss in this kind of healthy drink, because I see the sea moss bringing that lovely flavor and texture to it. Alright, so I'm always try to use the sea moss to bring in that texture to it. And not only that, the sea moss got a lot of health benefit also inside of it. But as you can see for yourself, that is lovely and it's fantastic. And the flavor and the texture is amazing. I would encourage you to try this one at home. Beautiful, guys. Simple. Just ripe banana, blueberry, and some. I put some cucumber inside of it to, you know what I mean, bring in that beautiful color and that beautiful flavor with the sea moss, and also with that beautiful almond milk also inside of it. But as you can see for yourself, come out really, really well, guys. Honestly, come out fantastic. It's amazing. The flavor and the texture, yeah, it's fantastic. All right. And not only that, you can have this for a perfect weight loss drink in the morning if you like to. All right. But thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you guys. All right. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Very powerful recipe for you to have in the morning for breakfast smoothie. Stay tuned for more recipes. All right.